Hi guys, welcome to Excel and Maths I. So today what we will be doing, we will be differentiating this function here. Now, before we go ahead and do that, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to sort of lay out the sort of strategy. So what we will need to do, we'll need to use two rules. One's the chain rule and the quotient rule. I'll just write the quotient rule here. So that's f over g dash is equal to, that would be f dash g minus g dash f over g squared. And we'll take our f to be the top portion, 1 plus x, and g to be 1 minus x when we come to it. What we're going to do first, we're going to use a chain rule. Okay, so we'll say first of all, let u equal to 1 plus x over 1 minus x. So that's our u. So then this part becomes y is equal to cos of u. So we're just going to write our chain rule. So our chain rule becomes dy by dx is equal to dy by du. So in other words, we're going to be differentiating this with respect to u times du by dx. So we differentiate this with respect to x. So if we do this bit here, to get our dy by du, that will simply be minus sine u. Now, in order to get this, what we're going to do, we're going to be using the quotient rule. So let's say du by dx, okay, we would say that is equal to f over g dash. So we have the following. So f dash, so we said the f is the top bit here. So 1 plus x. So if I differentiate that, that will just simply give me 1. So that's 1 times the g, which is 1 minus x. That's times 1 minus x. And that's minus. Now this is where you need to be careful with, because you're going to get a negative here. So when we differentiate g dash, that will give us minus 1. So that's minus 1 times the f, which is 1 plus x. 3 times 1 plus x. And that's all over 1 minus x all squared. Now tidying this up and collecting all the like terms together, and that will be 1 minus x. Now this will become plus, because that's minus and minus becomes a plus. That'll be just simply 1 plus x, 1 plus x, and that's over 1 minus x all squared. So now the x's cancel, so we're left with 2 over 1 minus x all squared. Now substituting this back into our equation will give us following. So that's 2 over 1 minus x all squared. Now we'll substitute 1 plus x over 1 minus x for u in here, and that should give us minus, that would be 2 sine, then we have 1 plus x over 1 minus x over 1 minus x all squared. So that would be my final answer. If you like the video guys, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates on the latest videos.